Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Are you curious about how to view your profile on Telegram? Whether you want to check your information or update your details, it is a simple process. So let's walk through the steps to view your profile on Telegram. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, tap on Settings, which is in the bottom right corner of the screen, to access the main menu. And in the settings, you will find this option of My Profile. Click on it, and now you will be able to view your profile details here, including your profile picture, name, phone number, and bio. You can also see your username and any other information that you have added to your profile. If you want to update your profile information, you can tap on Edit icon, which is in the top right corner, and this will allow you to change your profile picture, name, bio, or other details. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and update your profile on Telegram. So keep your information up to date to ensure your contacts have the most accurate details. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.